Did you know that over 42% of turbo engine failures happen simply because drivers pick the wrong oil? Turbos run extremely hot, often above 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, and cheap or mismatched oil literally bakes inside the turbo bearings, forming sludge that kills performance. That's why today's video is crucial. We are revealing the best turbo engine oils actually tested and approved by real mechanics. The oils that keep your turbo clean, cool, and alive past 200,000 miles. And we are exposing 3 oils that silently destroy turbos without you even noticing until it is too late. First, let's explore the oils that are ideal for your turbo engines. Number 7. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40. Mechanics love this oil because it's practically built for torture. Extreme heat, high boost, and long climbs that make a turbo glow red. What makes it special is its incredibly strong synthetic base oil that refuses to shear down even when the turbo is spinning at maximum speed. It also keeps its thickness under heavy load, meaning the protective layer around your turbo bearings never collapses. Drivers who switch to this oil often report quieter cold starts, less oil consumption, and a smoother rev range during hard acceleration. Another advantage is its strong detergent package that removes soot and carbon. This is why diesel tuners, performance mechanics, and heavy-duty truck owners trust it. If your turbo works hot or works often, this oil is legendary. Number 6. Castrol Edge 0W40 European Formula. This oil is designed for high-boost engines that live in harsh conditions. Mechanics use it on VW, Audi, Mercedes, and BMW turbo engines because it maintains viscosity even after long, high RPM runs. This oil uses Castrol's fluid titanium technology, which strengthens the oil film when pressure goes up, giving your turbo bearings maximum protection during boost spikes. One reason mechanics love this oil is its stability. After thousands of miles, it still maintains viscosity better than many OEM oil brands. Drivers who use it notice better throttle response, less turbo lag, and cleaner oil during drain intervals. If you want a premium oil for modern European turbos, this is one of the best money can buy. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40. Rotella T6 is the oil mechanics recommend when your turbo is under constant stress, such as towing, hauling, racing, or simply living in a hot climate. Heavy-duty diesel mechanics swear by it because it has one of the strongest shear-resistant formulas on the market. This means the oil doesn't thin out even after long uphill pulls or hours of highway boosting. It has a rich anti-wear additive package, including higher levels of ZDDP, which protects metal surfaces when temperatures spike. Turbo engines running T6 often show cleaner oil passages and less varnish around the turbine shaft. Mechanics especially recommend it for older turbos, modified setups, and engines with known heat issues. If your turbo tends to work hard, this oil is like armor for your engine. Number 4. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30. Mechanics love Valvoline's Advanced Full Synthetic because it offers premium protection without the premium price tag. This oil has exceptional oxidation resistance, meaning it won't turn into burnt-smelling sludge when your turbo hits extremely high temperatures. It also contains extra detergents that keep the turbo feedline clean. Drivers report immediate improvements in engine smoothness, quieter idle, and cleaner drain intervals. What makes this oil special is consistency. Whether you are stuck in traffic or blasting down the freeway, it keeps the same protective film strength. It is perfect for drivers who want strong turbo protection but don't want to spend top dollar on boutique oils. For daily turbo cars, this oil is a smart, reliable workhorse. Number 3. Liqui Moly Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40. Liqui Moly is a mechanic favorite in Europe, especially for turbocharged engines known for running hot and tight tolerances. This oil's formulation is based on advanced German engineering and focuses heavily on reducing wear inside fast-spinning turbo bearings. Mechanics love how stable it is in high-heat environments because it doesn't evaporate quickly, doesn't shear down, and keeps a perfectly clean film even during long, high RPM runs. Drivers often report that engines feel smoother, quieter, and more responsive after switching. If you want premium German protection with long drain intervals and maximum turbo cleanliness, this is your oil. Number 2. AMSOIL Signature Series 5W30. This is the oil mechanics choose when they want the absolute best long-term turbo protection. AMSOIL is known for its extremely strong film strength, meaning the oil doesn't break down even at the highest turbo temperatures. In independent tests, AMSOIL resisted deposit formation up to 5 times better than many popular brands. Drivers who use it notice cleaner internals, smoother high RPM performance, and extremely long drain intervals. This oil also handles aggressive driving exceptionally well, and it is perfect for tuned engines and drivers who love boost. It is expensive, yes, but mechanics say it saves money in the long run by preventing turbo failure, engine wear, and overheating. For maximum turbo life, this oil is the king. Number 1. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W30. This oil stands out because it is not made from crude oil. It is made from pure natural gas that gives it an extremely clean and stable synthetic base. Mechanics love this because cleaner base oil means fewer deposits inside the turbo, especially on the super hot turbine housing. It flows incredibly fast during cold starts, protecting the turbo when oil starvation usually causes early wear. Drivers who use it report better acceleration, quieter operation, and improved fuel economy, where incorrect oil can cause engine knock. Inside the turbo, Ultra Platinum keeps the oil feed and return lines spotless. If you want a cutting-edge oil with ultra-clean performance, this one is a winner. Now let's discuss the turbo oils that destroy your turbo fast. Number 3. Cheap, no-name, full synthetic oils. These are the oils you see in plastic jugs at discount stores with names you have never heard before. These oils claim to be full synthetic, but cost less than a fast food meal. Mechanics warn that many of these are not true synthetic oils at all. They are just low-grade, recycled base oils mixed with weak additives. When exposed to turbo temperatures, they break down extremely fast, turning into sludge and hard carbon that clogs your oil feed line. They also shear down quickly, meaning the viscosity collapses and your turbo bearings run dry. Even worse, many of these mystery oils don't meet APISP or ILS-ACG F6 standards, meaning they are outdated and unsafe for modern engines. If you value your turbo, avoid these bargain bin oils like the plague. Number 2. Low-quality, high-mileage oils with weak additive packs. High-mileage oils can be excellent, but only when they use strong synthetic bases and high-quality additives. The problem is the cheap, high-mileage oils. Mechanics say these are some of the worst oils for turbochargers because they use low detergent formulas to avoid leaks in older engines. But turbos need detergents. They rely on them to prevent carbon buildup on the turbine shaft. With weak detergents, sludge forms faster, especially during short stop-and-go drives where the turbo heat soaks after shutdown. These oils also become thick quickly, and turbos hate slow cold start lubrication. And that wraps up the oils that protect your turbo and the ones that quietly destroy it. Choose the right oil and your turbo will stay strong, cool, and powerful for years to come. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe for more mechanic-approved secrets. See you in the next video.